I'm reviewing a Mr Coffee CG13-RB 12 cup switch coffee maker. I haven't accepted any money to do this review, so it's totally independent. I'm replacing an identical coffee maker that I used daily for 8 years. That's about 3,000 pots of coffee. This morning when I turned it on, the light came on and nothing happened. It's 12 3/4 inches high and 8 1/4 inches wide in this direction. It's 10 3/4 inches wide in this direction, and it also comes in white. There's a hole in the rear so that you can coil up any unused cord. The cord is about 26 inches long. The plug is polarized. It's 900 watts and 120 volts AC. There's a window on either side of the coffee maker to indicate when it's been filled with water to its maximum 12 cups. Those are 5-ounce cups, and a typical mug like this one holds 10 ounces. To brew some coffee, lift the top. Because the opening for the reservoir is sort of narrow, I recommend that you add water prior to installing the filter and adding the coffee. This will avoid splashing water into the basket area. I use a jug to add the water. It makes it easier to aim the water into the reservoir. That way you won't splash it through these holes in the rear that prevent overfilling. Pivot the water spout out of the way. This is kind of clever. The lid has this plastic piece on it, and if you forget to swing the spout back over, it does it automatically for you. Brewing starts when you push the button. After about 10 or 15 seconds, the brewing begins. The handle on the pot can be adjusted to any of these positions. There's a spring on the bottom of the basket that allows you to pull the pot out while the coffee's brewing and pour a cup. When the gurgling stops, the coffee's done. Off, and the green light goes out. To clean it up, swing the water spout aside, and the entire basket can be removed. I give the coffee maker 4.5 stars. For under $20, it's a simple and reliable coffee maker. I ding it a 1/2 star because the reservoir is a little awkward to fill with water. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated, and thanks for watching.